Western Harbour in Malmö. The architecture and coastal environment attracts visitors from around the world. And when the area was being planned, around the turn of the millennium, the architects included ultra-modern systems for energy, water and sewerage, and waste treatment. Municipal contractors collect the waste with refuse lorries, or using the waste suction technology. Sysav has its own part to play in the cycle of sustainability. Sysav, an environmental company that successfully shoulders the responsibility of dealing with, among other things, the waste produced by residents of Malmö. Our plants transform both household and commercial waste into social benefit. The waste is treated, arriving at the end of the process as heat, electricity, biogas or biofertilizer. The sorted household and commercial waste is delivered to Sysav. The combustible waste is used for heating and electricity. In this huge bunker, the crane operator mixes the waste to ensure an even energy value. The combustible waste is then fed into the furnace. Here, the temperature can reach over 1000 degrees Celsius. The heat from waste incineration heats the water into steam, which is fed to a turbine under high pressure. A generator then creates electricity that can be sold on the market. The residual heat is fed to a condenser that heats up water for the district heating network, which is supplied to homes, among others, in the city. The air in the furnace needs to be cleaned before it's released, and using modern technology, we remove various pollutants step by step before the smoke leaves the chimney. These emissions are continuously monitored, and Sysav easily meets stringent official requirements. Finally, we sort the remaining metals from the slag, following incineration. The water from the process is also dealt with at a treatment works. Food waste is collected separately in paper bags or through waste disposal units in homes. This is then dealt with at a pre-treatment plant by a subsidiary, Sysav Biotech, where the bags are tipped into a bin and crushed. A viscous liquid is then squeezed from the waste, something we call slurry. The dry proportion of the waste is used as fuel for the district heating power plant, while the slurry is sent for further treatment at a biogas plant. At the biogas plant, a methane-rich gas is produced that can be used as vehicle fuel. You can literally run a car on apple cores. What remains at this stage is a liquid biofertilizer full of important nutrients that can be spread on the fields. Since Sysav was formed more than 35 years ago, we've reduced the amount of landfill, where waste is simply piled up, from 100% to over 90% being used as material and energy. Old rubbish tips can instead be used as prime recreation areas. Sysav is part of a chain that ensures optimum use of society's waste products. Our website explains more about world-class waste management.